A backhoe loader is a multifunctional construction machine that combines the capabilities of a loader and an excavator in one compact unit. It features a front loader bucket for material handling and a rear backhoe arm for digging and trenching. This dual-purpose design allows operators to perform multiple tasks with a single machine, improving efficiency and reducing equipment costs. Modern backhoe loaders are widely used in construction, agriculture, municipal engineering, mining, and infrastructure projects. With strong digging force, flexible maneuverability, and easy operation, a backhoe loader is ideal for projects that require both excavation and loading functions. Our backhoe loader is designed with high-strength structural components, reliable hydraulic systems, and powerful engines, ensuring stable performance in demanding working environments.